Everything went normal during the first 7 months of pregnancy, but the doctors soon realized that I was suffering from something called as preeclampsia.
So I had this very treacherous course of pregnancy where I went through a pregnancy-induced hypertension. It's a dreaded complication of pregnancy, and my BP shooted up very high.
मैं कार्डियोमायोपैथी की पेशेंट हूँ। इसमें ये होता है कि हार्ट के जो मसल्स होते हैं वो वीक हो जाते हैं। इसमें ये होता है कि मैं कंसीव नहीं कर सकती थी, इस पे वेट पड़ेगा तो वो चीज़ मुझे प्रॉब्लम दे सकती थी।
I suddenly started puking very they decided that they would go for emergency C-section, and what I realized was that this was about 4 o'clock in the morning, and within half an hour, 40 minutes, my baby was born a very low birth weight of 1 kg 40 grams.
And my baby, she was born premature. She was just 30 weeks, and I was like very worried about her and how she would do, because the prematurity itself is it brings a lot of complications and a lot of consequences.
मैंने 2017 में कंसीव किया, मई में 27 वीक बेबी को मैंने बॉर्न किया।
So what I would like to say over here is that the way with which the doctors handled my case, Dr. Wij was not just a doctor, but also he took good care of me, because he realized that I was a first-time mother and I was nervous. So and being such a small baby, it's a little difficult to handle. The way they would put the baby in your arms, and they would teach you the proper way to do KMC.
And I had impending eclampsia, which is a very bad case. So a lot of doctors were involved in my care, starting from my obstetrician, Dr. Bhitika Bhattacharya, to the internal medicine head, Dr. Arun Devan, then my nephrologist, Dr. Alka Bhasin, and of course the neonatal care was involved, Dr. Varun Vij and his team. So all this was really compiled into one, and I was saved, my baby was saved.
ICU में एडमिट थी मैं 3 बार। सारे टेस्ट अवेलेबल थे वहाँ पे, जो भी चीज़ें होती थी वो अंदर ही हो जाता था मेरे बेड पे लेटे लेटे ही। जब मुझे ओटी में ले जाया गया तो वहाँ ओटी में कम से कम 25 डॉक्टर्स अलग अलग स्पेशलिस्ट थे जिस टाइम में मेरा सिजेरियन ऑपरेशन हो रहा था। उसके बाद फिर मैंने तीसरे दिन आके डॉक्टर ने व्हील चेयर पर आके फिर मैंने बेबी को देखा नीको में, तो सिर्फ 900 ग्राम का बच्चा था जो शीशे के अंदर रखा हुआ था। तो मैंने यही सोचा कि मैं इस बच्चे को अब कैसे बड़ा करूँगी, मेरे मन में पहला सवाल यही आया था।
So anything, like it was said, that all the tests that had to be done, my baby didn't really have to go anywhere. Everything was brought to the neonatal ICU, and I'm really grateful and thankful that I met these doctors at Max.
So many complications were involved in my case, but it has been taken care of so well that every other thing, the equipments and everything in Max was under one roof, and I didn't have to run around looking for things.
लेकिन हॉस्पिटल में 2 महीने उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे से उसका ध्यान रखा, फिर मैं 2 किलो का बेबी घर लेके आई थी।